Have you ever tried to open a jar of pickles and suddenly realized your grip isn't what it used to be? Or maybe climbing the stairs that you once danced up now feels like climbing a mountain? You're not alone. And it's not just age. It's your muscles quietly vanishing. Yes, research shows that after the age of 50, you can lose up to 1% of muscle mass every year. By 70, that number can double. It's called sarcopenia, the silent thief of strength, balance, and independence. But what if I told you there are 3 natural everyday foods, probably in your kitchen right now, that could stop this decline and even help you reverse it? Stick with me, because in this video, we're diving deep into these powerful foods, backed by science and ancient wisdom, to help you reclaim your strength and vitality. And trust me, you'll never look at your plate the same way again. Before we get into it, I want to hear from you. What is one physical task that's harder now than it was 10 years ago? Drop it in the comments. Your story could inspire someone else watching right now. Let's get real about what muscle loss does to your body. Without enough muscle, your metabolism slows, leading to weight gain. Your risk of falls increases, along with fractures and hospital visits. Everyday tasks like lifting groceries or getting out of a chair become challenges. But here's the great news. Your body is always ready to heal at any age if you give it the right tools. And that's what these 3 superfoods do. They fuel your muscles, repair tissues, and support energy, naturally. But first, let me take you back 2,000 years ago. Let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food. That's what Hippocrates, the father of medicine, said. Even in ancient Greece, doctors knew that food wasn't just for pleasure, it was power. In traditional Chinese medicine, strength was believed to come from a balance of energy, blood, and nourishment. And in Ayurveda, the health of your tissues, your datus, started with what you ate. So now, let's look at what you should be eating to regain and maintain muscle strength. Our first superfood, eggs. 1 large egg has 6 grams of high-quality protein loaded with leucine, the amino acid your muscles crave. Eggs are easily digestible, contain vitamin D, which supports bone and muscle strength, and they boost brain function and energy. Roman gladiators were known to consume eggs regularly for strength before battle. How should you eat them? You can boil them for breakfast, scramble them with spinach, or add them to salads or even soups. Eggs are versatile and powerful. Now, before we dive into the second superfood, let's talk movement. Yes, food fuels the body, but movement sculpts it. You don't need a gym, a treadmill, or expensive equipment. What you need are daily small habits, easy, enjoyable exercises that wake your muscles up. Here are 4 muscle-saving movements you can do anywhere. Sit to stand, also called chair squats, targets your thighs, hips, and glutes. Sit in a sturdy chair, stand up slowly without using your hands, then sit down gently. Do 10 reps twice a day. It's great for improving leg strength and balance. Next, wall push-ups. Stand facing a wall with arms stretched out. Place your hands on the wall and push like you're doing a push-up. 10 reps twice daily can strengthen your chest, arms, and shoulders. Then we have seated leg lifts. Sit tall on a chair. Extend. One leg out and hold for 5 seconds. Lower and switch sides. Do 10 reps per leg to improve walking and stair climbing. Lastly, arm circles. Extend your arms out to your sides. Do 10 small forward circles, then 10 backward. Repeat 2 sets. This targets your shoulders and arms. In traditional Qigong, gentle repetitive movements were used to strengthen not just muscles, but life force. Qi. Movement was seen as medicine, and so it is today. These exercises aren't about intensity, they're about consistency. Even 10 minutes a day can trigger muscle memory, blood flow, and healing. Which of these 4 exercises would you be willing to try today? Or are you already doing some of them? Let me know in the comments. Let's support each other with simple, sianpai, sitibipur tuakert, powerful habits. Next up, lentils, the muscle builders of the plant world. Lentils are packed with 18 grams of protein per cooked cup. They're also rich in iron, which boosts oxygen delivery to muscles, and magnesium, which supports muscle function. Ancient Indian warriors were known to feast on dal, lentil stew, before battle. In Ayurveda, lentils were seen as a sattvic food, promoting strength and clarity. You can enjoy red lentil soup, lentil burgers, or toss cooked lentils into a salad. Pro tip: soak them overnight to enhance absorption and reduce bloating. Lentils are not just nutritious, they're affordable, accessible, and versatile. Halfway through now. Have you ever tried adding lentils to your weekly meals? How do you like to cook them? Let me know in the comments below. Your recipe might be featured in our next video. And now, the king of muscle-friendly foods, salmon. A 3.5 oz serving of salmon provides 22 to 25 grams of complete protein. It's loaded with omega-3s that reduce muscle inflammation and support recovery. You'll also get B12 and selenium for energy and muscle repair. Indigenous coastal tribes considered salmon sacred. They believed it gave warriors endurance and long life. Why should seniors eat salmon? It reduces inflammation that causes muscle soreness, enhances muscle protein synthesis, and supports your heart and brain too. You can enjoy it grilled with lemon and herbs, baked in foil, or in a fresh salmon salad with avocado. And if you're vegetarian, don't worry. Swap salmon for chia seeds or walnuts to get some omega-3s. Imagine this day on your plate. For breakfast, boiled eggs with avocado and whole grain toast. Lunch, a warm bowl of lentil stew with vegetables. Dinner, grilled salmon with quinoa and steamed broccoli. Just like that, you've covered all the muscle-boosting essentials your body is begging for. And no, it's not too late. Your body doesn't care how old you are. It only responds to what you give it. Seniors, your muscles are not vanishing because of age. They're vanishing because of what's missing on your plate. You now know the 3 foods that can change the game. But knowledge alone isn't power. Action is. So go ahead. Start today. Add an egg to your morning. Cook lentils this weekend. Try salmon this week. What change are you committing to this week? Let's make this a community challenge. Drop yours in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Tap subscribe for weekly videos to keep you healthy, energized, and thriving. And share this with a friend or parent who could use this reminder. And remember the ancient words of the Tao. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Let today be that step. Until next time, this is Wellness Health. Stay strong, stay vibrant, and stay you.